Nigeria is believed to have received 4 Chinese-made Wing Loong II attack drones out of an order of 8. The Wing Loong II, which can remain airborne for 31 hours in intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance (ISR) mode and 26 hours in offensive role, will add significant value to counter-intelligence and anti-banditry operations, Air Commodore Ibikunle Daramola tweeted Tuesday from the official Twitter handle of the Director of Public Relations and Information Headquarters Nigerian Air Force (DOPRI). On November 5, 2020, the Nigerian Air Force (NAF) Chief, Air Marshal Sadique Abubakar, had said that as part of efforts to boost air operations against armed banditry in the northwest of the country, the NAF is set to deploy 4 unmanned combat aerial vehicles (UCAVs), as well as construct a runway and ancillary facilities for the UCAVs in Gusau, the Zamfara State capital. While highlighting the capabilities of the UCAVs, the Air Chief noted that the unmanned aircraft could remain airborne for up to 26 hours, providing persistent presence over areas of interest. He revealed that the 4 UCAVs were part of the 8 UAVs recently acquired by the federal government to enhance ISR as well as strike capabilities of the NAF. He revealed that 2 UCAVs were to be deployed at the newly established 203 Combat Reconnaissance Group in Gombe and the 2 others at the Air Task Force, Operation LAFIYA DOLE Headquarters in Maiduguri. Images of drones published along with the tweets look like Wing Loong II photographed at an air show. Another image shows what look like CH-4 drones in a semi-finished condition. The CH-4 attack drones are said to be cheaper than the Wing Loong II and have been acquired by Pakistan.